Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Monopoly Go glitch. Well, if Monopoly Go glitch doesn't work after your latest patch, follow these procedures to exploit the glitch for higher money and free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So the initial method users should try is by disabling the lower power mode or battery saver in the battery settings. So it will be a gateway to start the next process for both Android and iOS. Now once your low power mode is disabled on your battery settings, we will now go to the next step. The next step here is by enabling the background app refresh setting for both Wi-Fi and data on iOS. So for Android users, just visit the connection settings, head to mobile data usage, and enable the Monopoly Go app. Now, on the third step, we just need to get the latest version of Monopoly Go. So many players may be using the older version of Monopoly Go to conquer the city and earn some cash. So you just need to try installing the latest version of the app from the Google Play Store and App Store for Android and iOS. Now, the third method that we have here is by launching the browser. So players should use any browser on their screen and launch the monopolygo.org website, and a start hack prompt will appear on the screen, so you just need to ensure to tap it to start. Now the system will run a few codes and will prompt a continue message, so just need to ensure to tap it, and players will get a choice of money, dice rolls, or both of them, and the numbers of those items. Lastly, players should choose the highest number for the specific item and the item they are missing. In some cases, the system can ask players to fulfill other requirements as well, ensure they complete them, and open the app for the rewards. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.